Everyone talks about success, but few really understand what it really takes to build it. In this video, I'll share with you the real ingredients of success, the one that truly matter. And if this video is successful, I'm going to share how to acquire those ingredients. Here we go. Hi, and welcome back to my English struggles. This is day 24 of my 30-day English speaking challenge. Today, I want to share what I've learned about success, not from books or gurus, but from failure, doubt, and self-discovery. Because real success isn't a formula, it's a balance of inner ingredients that you have to develop and protect. I'm going to treat this topic in three parts. In the first part, I'll talk about the core ingredients, those which are indispensable, crucial, vital to reach success. In the second part, I'll mention the helpful ingredients, necessary but not essential. And in the third part, I'll mention the bonus ingredients. They are optional, but they can still add flavor and value to your success. So part one, the core ingredient, those you cannot afford to neglect, those without which your dream will remain a dream forever. The first one is clarity. You can go somewhere if you don't know where you're going. Clarity doesn't mean having everything figured out. It means knowing what matters today. Knowing your why keeps you from chasing what's meaningless. It gives direction to your energy and focus to your actions. You cannot focus on something if you don't even know what to focus on, right? As an example, when I started this channel, I wasn't sure how it would go, but I was clear about one thing. I wanted to grow through English, even though it's not my native language, even though I'm just a learner. That clarity is what keeps me going even on days when no one watches my videos, because I know why I'm doing this. The second crucial ingredient is self-confidence. Believing in yourself doesn't mean thinking you are perfect. It means trusting that you can improve. Confidence is built through repetition, not through compliments. Every time you face your fears and survive, you build a small piece of self-trust. Most people fail not because they can't, but because they stop believing too early when things don't go smoothly. When you lose faith in yourself, even the best opportunity becomes invisible. Confidence lets you see possibilities where others see problems. The third vital ingredient is discipline. Talent is nothing without consistency, and discipline is what keeps you consistent. Your motivation won't last forever. In the beginning, you are going to be on fire, but after some time, that fire fades and becomes weak. That's when you have to run on something else, and that thing is discipline. Discipline is doing what you said you'd do, even when you don't feel like it. That's how invisible progress becomes visible results. It's not attractive, it's not loud, but it's real. The fourth essential ingredient is resilience. Every success story hides hundreds of failures. Take the most successful people on the planet. When you read their stories, you notice they went through dozens of setbacks before making it. Resilience is not just getting up again, it's learning something new every time you fall. Failure can break you or it can build you. It depends on what you do with it. Resilience transforms pain into wisdom, and that wisdom becomes your quiet strength. So they are the ingredients I consider indispensable for success. If you think I forgot something, mention it in the comment section. Now, part two, the necessary but not indispensable ingredients, the helpful ingredients. They aren't vital, but they make your journey smoother and faster. They sustain you in your projects. The first one is organization. You can grow in chaos, or let's say it's harder to grow in chaos. Having a plan doesn't make you rigid, it makes you effective. Organization gives you a sense of control and peace of mind. It helps you manage your time, your energy, and your focus. Without it, even good ideas collapse under confusion. The second helpful element is communication. Good communication is underrated. Learning to express your ideas clearly changes everything. Sometimes success is just the ability to understand, to explain your vision so well that people want to help you to achieve it. If you can communicate, you can connect. And if you can connect, your influence stays small. The third necessary ingredient is curiosity. Every expert started as a curious beginner. The day you stop learning, you stop growing. Curiosity opens new doors. It keeps your mind alive and your perspective fresh. The more you learn, the better you become. Knowledge is power, but more than that, knowledge gives you options. And the more options you have, the freer you become. The fourth is gratitude. Gratitude keeps your ambition human. It reminds you how far you've come and that progress, even slow, is still progress. Gratitude protects you from comparison. It keeps your success grounded in peace, not pressure. The fifth ingredient is adaptability. That's what I call intelligence, the ability to adjust without losing yourself. Life changes over time. The more flexible you are, the less likely you will break when things don't go your way. Adaptability allows you to pivot instead of panic. It's not weakness, it's survival with style. And the final one is authenticity. Trying to be someone else kills your magic. Success without authenticity feels empty because you end up living someone else's life, not yours. You don't need to impress, you need to express. The most powerful thing you can ever be is yourself. That is what I have to say about this. Okay, now part three, the bonus ingredients. They are not essential, neither necessary, but they can bring extra value to your success. Number one is empathy. I don't know if I pronounce this word the right way, but anyway, empathy is the ability to understand how others feel, to see the world through their eyes for a moment. Why does it matter? Because success isn't built alone. People follow those who make them feel seen and understood. Empathy creates connection, trust, and loyalty. Without it, success becomes domination, not greatness. Number two is creativity. Creativity isn't only for artists, it's the ability to see differently. When you are creative, you find new solutions to old problems. You don't just follow the path, you design your own. That's how innovation is born. And in a world that keeps changing, creativity keeps you relevant. Number four is faith or spirituality. You don't need to be religious to have faith. It's the quiet belief that something bigger is guiding you, even when things don't make sense yet. Faith gives meaning to effort. It's what keeps you calm when you've done everything right and the results still don't show up. It helps you trust the process when logic says give up. And number five is humor. Being able to laugh at yourself keeps you sane. It makes the journey lighter. Success is easier to handle when you don't take yourself too seriously. Humor reminds you that life isn't a competition, it's an experience. Okay, now that all of that is said, we have to keep in mind that at the end of the day, success isn't about having all the ingredients. It's about knowing which one matter most to you. Maybe for you, it's confidence. Maybe it's discipline. Maybe it's patience. Whatever it is, nurture it because real success isn't built overnight. It's cooked slowly with the right ingredients in the right mindset. But even the perfect recipe means nothing if you never start cooking. None of the ingredients will work if you don't take action. So take that first step, even if it's small. That's how you turn potential into progress. That's what I had for you today. Thank you for watching. Tell me in the comments which ingredient do you think is missing in your own life right now. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because this journey continues with day 25. Cheers.